Hey everyone, Carlos Romero here, and welcome back to another episode of Road Traveling. And we're setting out on a Saturday evening, heading for Prospect Road. So anyways, we're gonna get going. You can see the beautiful sunset in the distance. US 222 North, effort at Reading, and there's PA 23 East, New Holland Avenue / Pike. There it is. The VMS sign that was installed, I think, back like, a couple of months ago. Or I think it was actually last month. US 222 North, effort at Reading. 1/4 of a mile, and then there's PA 283 West, Harrisburg. But our destination is Prospect Road. There it is. There's the approach for PA 283 West, Harrisburg, but we are not getting that. So we're getting into the right lane. We need to keep right for US 30 West. Since the left 2 lanes exit to the left. US 30 West, York. But we are using that to get to Prospect Road, not York. I already did that back like in the summer. Franklin and Marshall College, Longs Park next right. That's accessible via Harrisburg Pike. And then after that is PA 741, Millersville, Robertstown. Whoa. There's the Park City Center, which has a Bonton that closed, and also a Sears that closed. Both of them closed due to bankruptcy. Anyways, there's Harrisburg Pike. I'm thinking it used to carry PA 230, I think, or it was US 230 at one time. But anyways, we're curving to the left. Right! There's road work ahead. Expect delays. I think there are new signs. There are new signs, but I think you could actually see them, or you can't. PA 741, Millersville, Robertstown. And now we're curving to the right. Or left. We're curving to the left. Soon we'll be off the reconstructed portion of US 30. Robertstown Road to PA 741. We are now curving to the right. Left! Sorry guys, left. Alright. Centerville Road, exit 1 mile. This was Marietta Pike, PA 23, which carries PA 23. I think it terminates in Marietta. I think it does. Attraction is next right, Dutch Apple Feeder. Food next right, Arugas, and gas next right, Giant and Sheets. Centerville Road, exit 1/2 mile. Food next right, McDonald's, Bob Evans, Arby's, and I think there's Isaac's Grill famous sandwiches. And I can't read the rest, but anyways, there's the Centerville Road exit. Just to mention, guys, there will be a return trip for this one. I guarantee you there will be a return trip. There's road work up ahead. And this is Mountville. We did start from Mountville back in June 2018. So far, guys, this is like the dusk version of this. I will need to do a daytime version of this later. I mean, I might do a daytime version of this trip, but I will do it when the road work is done. Mountville, exit 1/2 mile. Donnerville Road, I think this is. Gas next right, Rudders. And there's food next right, Rudders, too. Mountville. Exit here. Exit. Stony Battery Road. Well, there's a backup at at the Mountville exit on US 30 eastbound. There's a Mainstay Suites off to the right. Prospect Road, that is our destination. Prospect Road. But we will depart from here in another road traveling video. There's road work up ahead. I think it's supposed to last until early next month, Columbia next 2 exits. That's Prospect Road, which we're taking, and PA 441 for Columbia and Marietta. There it is, guys. Prospect Road. Exit 1/2 mile. You can see the sky has gone completely dark, or I think it has. Lodging next right, nothing anymore. Well, it's a Comfort Inn though. It's a Comfort Inn, but you just couldn't see it. Food next right, McDonald's, like there was on Centerville Road. Arby's, Sheets, and I think Wendy's is there. Anyways, guys, we're now getting off at Prospect Road. We're getting off of the US 30 freeway and getting onto Prospect Road. So we are turning left onto Prospect Road. We're stopping here. And there it is, guys. There's going to be PA 462 up ahead. And this concludes our Prospect Road trip from Greenfield Road. So anyways, guys, this is all for now. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and subscribe to turn on the notifications bell for more road traveling videos like this one to come.